So today I will show you how to display a QR code inside your Flutter app without using any third-party dependencies. So we will using something called platform views. Uh, we need to write some kind of a kotlin code or swift code to display it inside your Flutter app, but it is pretty simple. So for this video I will show you how to do for your Android app. So I just have a main.dart file, and inside my home page I have just I'm getting the width and height for this particular screen. Then I have a scaffold, I have a safe area, I have a sized box, and inside this I have this custom stateless widget called my QR view. Now this will act as a platform view to display the QR code, and I want to send some text from the Dart side to the native side. So whatever text I send, so in this case I'm sending it as hello. That's what the QR code should generate, and the width and height also should be customizable. That's why I'm sending the width and height as well from the Dart side to the native side. Now I'm wrapping this my QRQ inside a size box because I think I was facing some kind of an issues on Android or iOS. I don't exactly remember. That's why I have to wrap this my QRQ inside size box just so that I could get the width and height which I actually wanted. So if you go inside the my QR view, it is a basic stateless widget, and here we are passing the text width and height inside the constructor, right? Next we are generating passing parameters to the platform side. So to access the text you have to use we are sending it via a map, so the text key of the map, same for width and height. Now if it is an Android view, I'm using the Android view. If it is Android, sorry, then I'm using the Android view. If it is iOS, then I am using the UI kit view. Now the Android view requires a view type which is my QR view. So this constant is important, which helps to recognize if there are multiple platform views inside your code base. So my QR view, this text is important. So make sure this text is same on both Dart side as well as on your native side. And in layout direction you can just do text direction dot ltr, so left to right. Usually it would be from left to right, but if you are using some kind of localization or internationalization, or if you are staying in a country where right to left is the thing, then you might have to do some kind of a logic to do such. Okay, then creation params is our map, and creation param code c is our con standard message code c. Like this is from the documentation itself, like even I don't understand what exactly this is. Now you have to go to your Android folder. Inside that, go to app. First you have to go to your build.gradle file, scroll down, and you have to add this dependency. So this is a Google library which helps to display QR code inside your Android app. Now go to your src main kotlin. uh, yeah, I don't we don't require Android manifest. So go inside first my QR view factory dot kt, and you have to just copy paste this code. Like this is kind of a boilerplate code which you requires whenever you are trying to create a platform view. And the only important thing is we need to pass our QR view inside this. So we will next create a QR view, and here we will write the actual logic to display the QR code. So this is kind of like a native code. So I'm taking the image view from Android side, and while return, this is again an override method which we have to implement. So I'm returning the image view. Dispose is again an overridden method, and whenever this my QR view is initialized, we want to initialize the image view, and then we have to set the image bitmap uh, to whatever the QR code is generated. So here you can see I have created another method called get QR bitmap, and it takes a text. And now to get the text from Dart side to native side, you have to write this. So if you remember, we were passing the text inside the map key from Dart side. So here we are retrieving it from the text key. Okay. Next, okay, inside this logic, like again I have copy pasted this from the documentation. Like this is the logic to generate a basic QR code from Android. So yeah, if you want, you can copy paste it. Then you have to go to main activity.kt, and here you have to write this method as well, like configure Flutter engine and Flutter engine dot platform view controller dot register view factory, and this should be the same constant as you have written it in on your Dart side. And here you can pass my QR view factory, and if you try to run the app, you should see a QR code being displayed on your app. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.